what could be a good way a person who wants to become a coach or, understand how to look at the future, Ramesh and Priya?
Right. So you're right, Steve. There's lots of things happening and lots of views on what is the right thing to do, right? That's a bigger problem.
Yes.
Uh, so I think it's very, very important for aspiring coach, or for that matter, any of us as who are already in this business, to be clear on what is our scope of work, what is it that we are comfortable with, what is it that we are doing, what is it that we don't like doing, what is it that we believe is going to help our clients, and then try and work around with that rather than trying to just clutter ourselves with a lot of things. And it does, having a lot of certification certainly does help our egos, but I don't know whether it helps the client.
Yes.
Right? So I think that part is very important. So for example, in our case, we truly believe two things are important, for anything that we do. One is the whole concept around emotional intelligence, because uh, to be truly successful, that's a key part of whoever you are, whether it's an individual or as a leader or whatever it is, right? The other part of it is not forgetting that we are part of a system and how do we work with the system. So when we are clear of those two concepts, rest of what we want to do to make sure we support that, it becomes very clear. So whether it's a certification, whether it is getting exposed to that, to that sphere of things, whether it is building our capability towards working with people who want to work with us on those areas, all of that start becoming easy.
Correct.